All right, Pam, we're making you work hard this afternoon. So can we now have a look at doing a forearm stand? Because some of our students will be ready to do forearm stands. And that's a really great pose, especially if you have a sore neck, right?
Yes.
So you get all the benefits of an inversion.
Yes, excellent. Again, just in case you fall, you want to be at the back of the mat. Your hands are together.
Not like this?
So not like this, because the reason why, because when you raise your arms and you bend them, they don't naturally go like this. They naturally fall together. So similarly, you want to put your hands together, the thumbs are touching. You want to really try to find that angry cat pose. So lift, push the elbows into the floor, tuck the toes, lift the knees. Again, walking the feet. This may already be enough. If you feel strong here, bring one leg up, little hops. 1. You want to try and stack your hips over. 2, 3, 4. Maybe you find the balance there.
So remember, you've got this beautiful line here from the hips to the shoulders, same as when we were doing the headstands. And you're pushing into where, Pam? You're around your elbow region?
Yes. The forearms are pushing down strongly. Once you're very steady, then you can join the legs. Thighs together. Okay?
Now, once if
come
you're
back
going
the same way.
So what could you just explain one last time too? What you do with your shoulders? Because what we often see is people collapse, right?
What you don't want to do is this. Try to avoid flailing the legs up and looking forward. You want to have an angry cat back. So retract the shoulder blades.
Yeah, strong.
Like an angry cat. From that position, then you little hops from there. Try to keep that same position.
Now, what happens if you're going to fall? What would you do?
So, very important to be at the back of the mat. You don't want to be at the front of the mat in case you fall on your furniture or something like that. You also want to split your legs. Once you feel that you're losing the balance, you really want to reach the back leg further and just let it go naturally. Let it go naturally. And try again. Back of the mat. 1, 2, 3. Find the balance. Maybe you fell again. And let it go.
So the head comes through the arms, so you can find that comfortable way to come down. So now Pam's going to show you a nice transition. If you've now got a nice open upward facing bow, a Urdhva Dhanurasana. So Pam, if you could show that, your shoulders are nice and open now. So this is a nice variation for you.
So top of the head. Change the hands. Lift the hips. Try to push your chest through the window of your arms. You can go on the balls of the feet. Walk the feet in. And try and stack your shoulders over your wrists. And just rock back a little bit here. Be comfortable here. When you're going into Chakrasana, you don't want your elbows to be too wide. So slowly bend the elbows. Gently place the top of the head there. One forearm down, then the other. And push the head off the floor. Push the chest through the window of your arms. And, it feels so good. Moving forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Maybe you can jump to the other side. So you can raise one leg first. See how you feel there. And the other leg. And maybe you can kick it over. Look towards your hands. So you do a few times. Tick-tocks. You know? Your gaze is switching. Forward and back.
So remember, you don't do this at home unless you have a good upward facing bow. One arm headstand. So let's swap, and Pam's going to show you how to get into that.
So only try this when you have a very stable headstand. You want to split the legs. So your hands are on the floor, top of the head on the floor, tuck the toes, lift the knees, walk the feet in again. Try to split the legs. Be comfortable here first. You want to be able to change legs. Really easy and comfortable before you try one forearm. So once you're steady, then you shift the weight a little bit more towards the right forearm so that you can replace the left elbow with the fingertips like this. From here, you can feel, where is my weight? Most of the weight is on my head and the right forearm. Then I can try 2 fingers, 1 finger. The last test is a little pinky finger. You can't put much weight there. Maybe to your heart, maybe to your thigh, eventually grabbing the ankle. And coming down.
So remember, these are all variations based on your body type. This is not the yoga. This is about having fun with your body. And it's not for everybody, and everybody's different. So you just do your best. But you can also do many of these using the wall, and we'll show some of those in a different video. So thank you, Pam. That was beautiful. And have fun, be playful.